What's up, Mario here. So today is my iPhone 14 Pro unboxing. As I promised, the time is finally here. So let's get right into it. I already unboxed it from the original package and let's get to the box itself. So, as you can see, the iPhone box, it really feels sturdy. It feels really heavy in the hand, like you're actually bought something expensive. And it looks really nice with the matching fonts to the actual color of the device. Like I've said in my previous videos, I went for the space black, and let's just get into it. I will read the stuff later just from excitement, but let's actually unbox the phone. So let's put the light a bit better so you guys can see a bit better, and let's get right into it. So first step, I've got no nails, so this is gonna be fun. Okay, let's get to it. One down, and let's get the second one down now. My nails. Okay. So with both of the tabs down, let's unbox the actual phone. And what do we have here? The actual phone itself. I haven't seen this color in real life yet, since in every Apple store I was just avoiding it. And I didn't want to see it before the actual unboxing on my channel. So you guys are seeing it for the first time as well as me. Oh, it looks so pretty, so nice. Okay, let's get it out of the box. And let's see, this is the sticker. Let's get the sticker off. So let's make sure we are in focus here, and we are probably. So let's peel it. Let's peel it. We've got these little instructions showing you actually where everything is, like the power button, the volume down, up, and also the notification slider. So let's peel it off. Oh, that's really exciting. That's great. We are going to apply the screen protector right away so we don't get any fingerprints on it at all. So let's put the phone to the side and let's put the cover on so nothing drops on it. Okay, and in the box itself, we have the classic designed by Apple in California. We can pull this out. What do we have here? So here we have the SIM ejector tool. Because we are in Europe, we still get the SIM slot on the phone. Then we have the papers, another paper, and what else is there? An Apple sticker. I'm gonna probably slap it on something. I don't know what yet, but that's really nice. And some more papers. So let's leave the papers to the side. I'm gonna clean that up later. In the box, we also get the USB-C to Lightning cable. No charging brick this time. I also bought a separate one. I'm gonna do a video on that one later. And that's pretty much all you get in the box itself. Oh, there's an actual camera cutout for the phone. That's funny. Okay, so let's get the screen protector and let's apply it together. So I will clean this mess up and I will be right back. Okay, so here we have our screen protector. I went for the Spigen glass TR Easy Fit. So let's open it. I think you open it down here, yeah. Let's get to opening it. What do we have here? You actually get two screen protectors with this one, which I find really great, especially for the price. I only found this for like $15 and the quality seems really nice from the reviews that I've seen. So we've got these two over here, some instructions, that's really nice. I'm gonna look at those a bit later. You got this, which is a squeegee. Also the screen protector itself. You get two, as I said. What's this? This is another, oh, nice packaging. Some advertising. And in the shelf right here, what do we get? So we get some cleaning wipes, also a microfiber cloth, and two stickers so you can stick off all of the dust. How to remove bubbles. Well, that's nice. So we probably can skip the cleaning wipe since our phone is completely clear. And let's get right into it. So let's grab our phone. Let's now peel this off again. Very nice peel. As always, let's look at it if it has something. There's just a little piece up here. I'm gonna use the Apple thing to remove it. And that's perfectly clear actually. So let's put the phone on the table. Make sure I don't touch it. Okay, I'm just gonna check with my lamp if it's completely clear, and it is. So I'm gonna remove this here. Removed it. Okay, that's completely clear. So let's put the screen protector on it. You guys can see, right? Yeah. Let's put the screen protector on it. I'm really nervous with this one. So top is here, top is there. Okay. Let's put it into place. Nice. It's into place. And now we just press and slide as it says on the thing. Just like that. And wait 30 seconds apparently, but you know, I'm not waiting 30 seconds. I see the bubbles are disappearing, which is great to see. I've got the fit probably right, which I'm glad to see. Now we remove from here. Okay, Spigen. Trying to grab it. Oh, that's really hard to grab actually. Come on, do it, yeah. Remove from here. Okay, removing it. Just like that. And now, when I've removed it, let's look at the instructions. We pull it off, apparently. And there it is. And we've got one bubble in the middle, but that bubble is just probably this bubble, right? Yeah, and I've got some things stuck under it, which is not ideal. How did I get those in there? Are those under the screen protector? Oh, that's a fail. Okay, so I'm back. That was very stressful, very stressful. I messed it up, I got some hair under it and I needed to replace it like 4 times. But Spigen itself did a great job with this. It was totally my fault for messing it up, but don't worry, you can fix it yourself. I just got all of the hairs out of it and it's now totally fine. So, let's turn the iPhone on for the first time. See it again, space black, looking so good. And look at those camera bumps. They are huge, humongous camera bumps. Let's get to it. So let's power it on for the first time. And Apple. It's saying hello in all kinds of languages. And what happened? Oh, it turned off. And we can also see the dynamic island on top. So let's get right to it. Let's pick our language. I want English. Oh, the 120 hertz looks so good. I'm going from a 60 hertz screen and this just looks so great. This is just the setting up part. I will do all of the setting up and we will continue in my review. So this is it for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed with all of the trouble and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.